Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Good morning. So we had a great day yesterday out there shooting with a lot of friends. Blew up a lot of ammo. And yeah, today we're getting ready to go on a ride. I don't know where we're going, but it's always a good time. Let's roll. And we're still waiting. Are you guys ready yet? Let's go. One thing about where our cabin is located out here, we have like a circle of friends that we just call family. Like, we've all been friends and grew up together since we were like 12 years old, and all of us kids are out here now using the parents' cabins or have inherited them in some way. And they're all out here celebrating a big birthday party for someone's wife. And everyone just gets together like a big old neighborhood. Love it out here. Wow, this is soft. God, it looks like the hill is just like falling off the edge because of all the rain and the wind and stuff. Whoa. Look at that. The hill is just like falling off the side over there. Awesome. And look how far that you can see that view. As far as you can see out there is 29 Palms Marine Base.
Gotcha, what's up? Okay, once I climb up over that hill, then we'll go to the left, okay? Alright, before we do that, your front right tire is not looking completely right. You want to jump on and take a look at it real quick?
Oh. Well, we're about to go climb that hill and our buddy just told us something might be wrong with the right tire. So we're going to pull over and check it out.
Oh?
Yeah, it looks like you're way low on pressure.
What's that? No wait.
See, whenever something happens, I feel safe. I always know Andre is prepared. We're ready. Tires pumped up. And supposedly we're going to go up this hill and we're going to go to the left at the very top. And it looks super soft. All right, let's go. Oh gosh. Woo. Oh my God, this is so... Whoa. Oh. Mike, make it. Well, that was sketchy. Oh, here we go. Oh, hello. It's so beautiful up here. Oh gosh. Beautiful. That's part of a King of the Hammers trail over there. What trail is that? What trail is that? A fun route down through here. Whoa. So soft. Oh gosh. Woo! That was fun. Woo! Whoa! Chocolate thunder over here to the right. I almost thought you were going to turn right and go up that hill. I was like, oh no. Oh shit. I know. Yeah, that's what our radio is. Whoa. Oh. Well, that was a fun ride.
We tried it with 308. We tried it with 300 Win Mag. It just
There is no shade out here anywhere for us to stop and take a break. So, we could pack some lunch, walk around, make sure we have no more flat tires. Are you gonna snack? I'm gonna eat.
Yeah, I'm gonna do both.
Oh. Sandwiches. There's some pickles. There's a soda in there if you want a soda. Yeah, probably not. There we go. Awesome.
That's new.
Yeah, this is brand new. Communications facility.
Doesn't look like it. I mean,
Wow.
they bolted it down.
And they probably did helicopter this stuff up in here.
There's no other way.
Yeah.
Other vehicles came up here and helped, you know. But
Wow.
looking down.
Pretty awesome.
It's facing that way, so there's communication. Another
Yeah.
communication tower that way.
Oh, yeah?
Another geological thing right here. Survey.
Oh, yeah.
Two of them.
So, let me see this. Oh, I can't read it. U.S. Coast and Geo
So that's what that one guy
something
did, that
survey.
That Gomer guy that was fully loaded. That's what he does. Geoelastic, that whatever. Remember?
Geoetic survey.
Yeah. For the military.
And where's the other one over here?
Right there. It is.
Oh. So I wonder why they would put two here.
I don't know. You ask them. See, I want to see that how that.
Listen.
Facing that way.
So what did you say? You found something over here? What?
There's an ammo can right there.
An ammo can. Dude, where? Where?
Right down the rock. Go grab it.
Oh. Whoa, there's no snake in here or nothing, right?
I hope so.
I'm gonna spill it.
Yeah, you are.
Whoa. This is neat. Oh, there's a pencil and everything. Koozie. Binoculars. That's cool. You were just asking for a pair of binoculars in the car. Ha! We got the same stickers. Well, this is awesome. At least there's a couple snacks in there. Sunglasses. What is this? A clip.
Beeper.
A beeper? This is awesome.
Not gonna date it?
Yeah. Okay, so we are leaving the top of Fisher Mountain where this new communication tower is at. And Andre says, well, you guys want to try to take a more, what do you call it, risky way to get down? So I don't know where we're going, but I said, let's go. And this is not the risky part that he was talking about either. Yeah. And there's someone's skid plate. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Are you looking in front of you? Are we gonna go that way or are we gonna go up to the left? I don't know, dude. If we go up to the left, it might look like a little too slanted on the right side. Shoot. Yeah. That's why I'm like, I don't know, dude. That looks pretty hairy. Oof. And so does this way. Once you go right, you got a big rut and a big rock. Oh.
This way, no matter what.
Oh boy. down this trail and Andre saw someone's plate. Is that for a dirt bike or a car?
It's a car.
Okay, so we're gonna turn down in here, and I think we're gonna get out and walk a little bit and decide whether we do this or not.
Spot when we go and we watch those cars come up this way.
Oh my God.
I think this is it. Remember how we watched King of the Hammers and they were coming up?
Yeah.
Are they coming up?
Yeah, they're coming up it.
Well, I don't see no tracks.
Yeah, there's tracks up here.
Oh.
So, look, straddle these go down through there.
Oh my gosh.
Once you get, if it's where I think it's at, all you have to do is get down through this shit.
Who would have ever even thought this could be a trail?
You would have to straddle that.
So
It's pretty hardcore, dude. I don't know. I feel like you would have to do like an all-day adventure with this drama. I know we could do this, but what happens is when we straddle that, you know, we come around this way.
Like, how is that even doable? I mean, I guess it is, but
it's been a good weekend so far.
sheesh.
Yeah, but that's what.
Maybe if we started at 9 in the morning and not 4 in the afternoon, would be a better idea.
It's kind of doable, but yeah, it's not. We need more people.
Yeah, no, that's more, honestly, that's more technical than I want to deal with today.
Okay, it's a hard no. We're gonna go back this way now.
But it's funny. So, Mark, I know Mark told you about that Dub Springs. We tripped, turned around and did a while back.
Yeah.
So.
So this is a route that we have not done before, like ever. And we only see people come up it. So if they could come up it, we could go down it. Well, I guess this is rocky. You might want to get out right here and go look. Or no. Oh boy. Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah. I almost rolled it too.
Oh yeah, I watched it. That's why I'm sitting here going, fuck, how's this gonna go?
Let me go see if I can take a left or a right over here.
That was crazy.
Yeah, throttle out.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, no, it's just one of those. I felt it going forward, and like,
Yeah,
Yes.
and it's like a three-wheeler
Yep.
type.
going up, because I watched you guys and how tight it was. I'm like, shit, can I even make the turn? I'm like, well, only one way to find out. I'll end up on the rock.
Yeah. Okay, exploring new trails is always fun. This is a little extreme, but I like it.
Go this way, I guess.
Oh yeah?
All we have to do is make it down right there.
That's all. All we have to do is make it down right there.
Make it on the trail. That one looks pretty.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Looks pretty bad, you know. I go down that way.
We got this one except for like this drop off right here.
Go over there, but
This drop off right here is,
I'm not gonna go on that drop off. Hopefully,
well, because that, look at how sharp that is right there.
I'm gonna go right here. Hopefully, but then my tires are gonna go right into there.
Yep,
But then I'll go over there.
we'll be good.
Yeah. We take that route.
Well, I mean, let's walk over here and check it out.
I think we go down this way here, and Kyle go right down that hole and up over there. It's not like you're gonna roll, 'cause there's another rock there, and hopefully smooth all around the corner.
Oh yeah? Do you want to walk over here and check this out at least?
Go ahead.
He said go ahead. He's not going to listen to me anyway. Oh. This looks better.
That looks better.
Yeah.
There?
I don't know. It's this rock right here. This spot right here is the only spot I'm seeing that's sketchy.
This is way better than over there.
Yeah, it's dump the tires this way.
Yeah.
Up.
That's steep. This is not that steep.
Yeah, but it's more obstacles here, or what?
Come here, right here. This was only spot right here. But I think this would be harder getting up than coming down. I think coming down we're good. But of course,
Oh, right there.
it's your decision.
This spot right
It's
here.
that spot right there, dude. You'll get wedged in there, and then you might break an axle. I ain't going that way. I'm going that way.
All right, let's go.
Guess the other way was easier. Well, I don't know. We gotta try it. You know what I mean?
How about I'll be right here? Just because I want to record you, not because I don't want to ride in the car. I don't even know where to go to record them. What's safest? Not in the front, obviously. Yeah, now, just like that. You're good. Yep. Nice. Oh, easy. Woo. Okay. I guess they made that look like nothing. Now, if I could just make it down here without falling, we'll be all right. That was awesome. Yeah, I can. Well, I guess I'm getting my exercise in today. Again. Last time I got out of the car and did this is because he couldn't get the drone up in the air for some reason. But he fixed that, and we didn't bring it. That's okay. I saw that coming. Awesome. And then there's this. That's pretty cool. Banning. Well, they got arrows to different, cities or whatever, but this has got to be called some kind of a destination spot. I just don't know why we don't know what it is at this point. But that is probably going to be a hectic trail again. Yep, this is one that we've never been down. Yeah, I don't know about that.
I don't know where the hell we're gonna go.
So Andre just said, I thought we were home free, but I guess not. So I think this one is ours also a hard no. Okay, so the guys just got back from walking down a little bit of ways through that canyon, and we just figured out that that was Sledgehammer. And these signs right here will tell us that. But when we came down, what did we come down through? Jackhammer or something? I don't even know. But that crazy rocky terrain that they just came down, we have to go back up that. So, stuff happens. Whoa. This is wild. I hope so. Okay, this is a really hairy section. I can't either. We did it. Ugh. One section down. Oh God, now we got this. I don't even know. Which way do you think? Yeah, but you could get a wheel stuck in that rut. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta stay in it and understand like easy low.
Wait right here. So I can film him. Oh! We came from straight up. Why do you ask me? I'm always down to go different, but yeah, so glad we made it out of there. We would have just had a winch or something, that's all. Oh. Okay, so over there, that's where you and I came down at night one time all by ourselves. That's so crazy. Yeah. break time. Oh yeah, you got some more scratches, Mike. Nothing bad at all.
I caught something good here. Yeah, this is probably the worst one out of all of it.
Yeah.
I caught something good there. Oh well.
Yeah.
Doesn't look too bad at all.
Hey, I think your rims are scratched up a little more. That's about it. Maybe a couple more scratches right there. Oh! That was awesome. Oh yeah.
Were you that badly dented before? Or is that
Yeah, it was dented before, but now it's pretty scratched right there. I think we came up here before and we were not able to get across because it was so washed out. Oh, but looks like people have been doing it. Good. I don't know about that. Gonna get down in here and not be able to get out if we don't make that. Wow. Yeah. I know it's only 70. So we went over to some friend's house in the neighborhood and joined them for a 50th birthday celebration and barbecue, and we decided to come on a night ride. We heard there's a rave going on up here at Giant Rock. There's a lot of people camping over here. Yep. They're all on the other side. We're gonna go for a ride now. Okay, so we just came up over this spot and Andre goes, I don't know where I'm at. I'm just following this road. Do you know where we are? Yeah. We're gonna come up over this steep section here. That is a fun, fast route. So we just got back and man, what a great day of riding. So much fun seeing our friends around the cabins here. And yeah, well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We hope everyone had a happy Easter, and we'll see you in the next one.